I said 10 and 2. I said, okay, you're doing pretty good. That's all right. Okay, good job. Good job. Good job. What? Oh, whoa. Wait a minute. Oh, don't let go of the steering wheel. Okay, there you go. 10 and 2. 10 and 2. 10 and 2. There. Oh, do not let go of the steering wheel ever. Never. Okay. All right. You're doing all right. Okay. No, wait. Both hands. Both hands. Not one. Don't do that. Let's go. I am Hans and this is my channel. Today is another exciting day. I've got a new project that's probably going to take me the rest of the winter to do, but I'm going to go ahead and share this with you. And Flora is actually giving me a ride because I can't drive two cars at once. I don't know why, but I'm going to try someday. Anyways, right now we are going to pick up a new van. It's an old van. It's a 2006 Sprinter van, and it's got a 5-cylinder diesel. It's got 372,000 miles on it, and I'm just kind of rolling the dice. But as much as we drive it to go camping, which isn't a whole lot, I think that it should be fine. They usually will go for about 500,000 miles. And the cool thing is, because it's a 2006, there's parts available everywhere for it. So now I just got to remember where it is. That camper. We're not going to get that one. I see a van with a big top. It's not that van. It's not that van. It's not that van. Or that van. Or that van. Or that van. But it is that red van. Oh! There it is in all its glory. Yeah. On. Oh man, we got ourselves a Sprinter van. It's a Dodge. Does it matter? No, not really. I got it for $8 grand, and we are going to do the conversion on it. I'm willing to probably spend $3,000 or $4,000 to do the conversion. I'm not really sure. I know insulation is one of the things that you really want to do with these things. So yeah, but as you can see back here, I've got a lift right here for a wheelchair, and I've got a gurney back there, so if you want to take a nap, a dirt nap, just kidding, it's not nice. But yeah, you got a gurney back there. I could haul some people around. I could, yeah, I think there's gonna be a lot of uses for this. Well, let me see if I can find somebody that wants to go for a ride in the gurney. Like, we could strap them down and go for a ride. See how they do. We'll take some sharp corners really fast. I don't know, guys. I'm pretty stoked. For the price that I got this, it's the 5-cylinder diesel. So, or I guess it's a turbo diesel 5-cylinder. So if you guys know anything about these things that might be able to shed a little light for me, to give me some tips and tricks on things to do to make these things last longer, because this thing has a ton of miles on it. 373,000 miles on it. It's a lot of miles. A lot of miles, guys. A lot of miles. But she runs strong for now. Hopefully she doesn't break down on me for a while. They do have service records and everything. They have taken really good care of it. It is one of those things that they have to do because they don't want to break down when they've got somebody in the back of this thing. So I'm kind of trusting that they did a good job with the maintenance, and they do have records for me to pick up on Monday. We got the title, we got the bill of sale. The heat is cranking in this thing. I don't even know how to turn it off. Man, good job, heater. It's working. Look at the mountains. Look how beautiful today is. I don't know if you can see it because it's so far away, but they look really close. It's a beautiful, beautiful morning. So this thing drives really nice. It's cool because you're up high. It feels big, but it feels like a car. It doesn't feel like it's as long as it is. Kind of makes me want to just go camping in it right now. But we're gonna cut our teeth on this one. Now we're gonna do I had some pretty good ideas for a heater system. I got a pretty good idea for a burner in case we want to make some mac and cheese. I love mac and cheese. Or if we want to make something really healthy, like boil cabbage. We could do that too. Make it smell really bad though. So maybe we want to just set it up so we have an outdoor kitchen with an awning and an outdoor kitchen. That would be the money. I think that's what I'm gonna do. No big deal. We got this thing. Let's go ahead and get into the back. I am the proud new owner of a Dodge 2500. I want to call it a Sprinter van. Oh, it is a Sprinter. It says Sprinter right there. Thought I was wrong. But it's a Dodge Sprinter van. What do you think, baby?
I like it.
Really?
Yeah, I like it. That's better than I thought. I thought it would be really stinky, but actually it's not stinky. So it doesn't smell like as I imagined for older, like that older car. It's nice.
We got lots of work to do.
Yeah.
We've got to get rid of these stickers. That's probably my first job. The stickers be gone. The ones on the glass I think are going to be easier than the ones on the paint, but I think I'm going to paint this thing too. So if you guys need anybody to haul you around, there's the guy's number. Central Oregon. Get rid of those. Get rid of those. And those and those. And there's this left in here. Look at that. I can haul some people around in a wheelchair. Get rid of those, get rid of those. The other thing we gotta get rid of is that. Now we have one of these. We only need one thing at a time. So this is for sale if anybody wants it. Cherokee. This is a sweet RV. But it's just so big that we never use it. If I eventually, when our kid is 5 or 6 or whatever, when we want to actually start going camping on longer camping trips, or doing stuff where we want to be gone for a week or 2 weeks, this might be the best option for sure. But for now, and I'm kind of living in the now, I say we get rid of that. We fix this one up so that we can really use it like on almost a weekly basis, where we're really just being able to jump in, run up to the lake, and who cares if there's no camping spots? We just turn around, we just do a day trip. It's not that big of a deal. With this, it takes me about an hour to get it set up, get the water put in it, get all the tanks set up, ready to go, get food in it, and then we gotta haul it. Uses a ton of gas in my truck when I pull that thing. I can make it out to one of the campsites that we go to and almost not make it home on one tank of gas when I'm pulling it with that. And so this is gonna get way better gas mileage. All right, we have a gurney. I think that's what they call it. We got a couple seats here for paramedics or whoever. We've got a tank holder back there so that we could actually hold some oxygen tanks. This is a good base. It's got this floor in it already. It's all cut out. I don't know if that's plastic. I think it's plastic, so it's gonna be super durable. You got some little pieces of wood in there to tie stuff down or screw stuff in. These panels are all gonna come out. We're gonna insulate them. This whole thing is gonna probably come out up here. We'll take all that out and insulate that. And I got a bunch of wires I want to run back here so that we can have some LED lights and USB ports and all kinds of stuff, being able to plug that stuff in back here. So I think I'm going to do the standard configuration at this point in my head. We'll do a bed back here. Down here we're going to do like a slider, or just do some bins back here that we can store. And then up in the front, maybe this bed will slide down and go into a couch up about where that seat starts, depending on how long the bed is. Little couch. Those two driving chairs will swivel around, so you could have a little social area, place to eat, maybe put a table in. And then on this side over here, I think I'm going to put a little cabinet with a sink. So I'm not 100% sure, but that one speaker up there is not going to cut it. We're going to need some sound in here that's going to be amazing. I'm not sure if that's 100% what's going to happen, Actually, I'm sure that that's not 100% what's going to happen, because I think that my ideas will get better and better the more that I start messing with this thing. So I bought it for 8,000 bucks. I think I can sell the lift that's in there. I could probably sell that thing for maybe 5,000 bucks. He said they're new. They're about $10,000. Okay, let's just say I sell it for 2,000 and I sell the gurney thing for 5. I'm $2,500 less into it, so we're 6,500 bucks for the van. And then anything that we do on it, I could buy a whole bunch of parts. We're gonna put a rack on there with a ladder so we can put stuff up on there. I want to put a tow hitch on the back so I can put a ramp on the back, and then we can actually drive a motorcycle up onto there and take a motorcycle with us wherever we go. So if we just want to go putt around or whatever, I mean, we've got that option. So I've got the motorcycle coming too. That should be here next week. I don't know. I'm not sure which video is going to come out first. Probably this one. So anyways, I'm super excited. We got the van. Next step, start taking stuff off, taking stuff out, and then start figuring out kind of the floor plan. I think that's going to be the next step after I get everything kind of taken apart.
Let's go!